Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Savvylicious Arrangements. So today we're going to be making buttercream icing. It's called buttercream because this is the better cream. It's so much better than buttercream frosting, but I like the buttercream frosting because of the fact that it holds its shape and you can use little to really no products for it to get that stiffness. Rather, if the buttercream or better cream, it's a light, fluffy, it's pretty much like whipped cream, but you're just making it yourself. So I'm going to be using Madagascar vanilla. Yes, do you see the price? It's $69.99 for this bottle, but it's amazing. You can taste every inch of vanilla. Way better than that grocery store brand imitation vanilla. And a little goes a long way, but I'm extra. I like my stuff to taste really good. So I went a little overboard with the vanilla. But I'm going to be taking my hand mixer and I am just going to be taking the buttercream, and I'm just going to apply that into my bowl and I'm going to whip it up until it gets to soft peaks. Now the best way to do this is to keep the buttercream in your freezer. It doesn't harden, it doesn't get a solid liquid, it's not a solid liquid. It will stay nice and thick. If you keep it in your refrigerator, the temperatures in the fridge from the freezer are different temperatures. So because it doesn't freeze as a solid, it's best to just keep it in your freezer. This is soft peaks, and oh, I tasted it. It's so good. I know I don't have everything in the camera right now. My aunt zoomed in too far, but we're gonna make it work. So I applied a little bit of food coloring into it. I was afraid if I applied a lot of food coloring that it would taste like food coloring, and I didn't want that. So I just applied just a little bit to give it some color. I'm going to continue to mix this until I get it to the stiffness that I want it to be. That's pretty good because it's only going on the layers of the cake. It's not going on the inside. And thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Love you.